I'm addicted. I give this a 10 out of 10. Welcome back to the vlog. It is Vlogmas day 17 today, and I can't believe we're almost done. This is insanity. I have just settled in, made some lunch, got a little decaf coffee here from the Styles. We just got back from a football signing at the at the high school that we do film for. So it was so exciting. It was so cool because I've never been to one before, but it's kind of like, oh, like a little proud. Like I feel like we helped because we filmed all their tapes for them, and of course you need tape to be seen to get into schools, so it's really cool to see the whole journey of like them going throughout the years of like becoming great football players and then like watching them get signed to go to university. It's so cool. It's so heartwarming. So anyways, that's what we were up to earlier. Yeah, we're off to work after this, get to the editing, get to helping Clay with some stuff, and we will check back in later. I didn't get very much footage from yesterday, so what I'm gonna do is film a little bit of today, and that will be my vlog for today. So I'm going to try this new recipe that I found, a smoothie recipe, on Instagram, of course, where I found all of my inspiration from. And I'm gonna show you how I make this smoothie, and we're gonna see what it tastes like and how it goes. So much better than Starbucks decaf. Oh my god. And way better than the instant decaf. Banana slices are frozen now. That is the first ingredient in our smoothie recipe. And let's prepare the rest of the ingredients, I suppose, because, you know, preparing your ingredients first is actually the first step to doing things in a timely manner and having everything come together. And I learned that over not preparing things before and having to rush and not burn things cooking anyways. So let's prepare the rest of our ingredients. And we have our Vitamix here ready to rumble. And I made a little snack for myself, just some Gardines with taco seasoning and then some Daya, and I put it in the oven. So I'm just gonna dip my chips in here like a little, I don't know, a dip, meat dip. Oh, shit. Guess who got a little snack of peanut butter and banana? This is actually such a good snack. There's frozen banana and it's kind of blocking the peanut butter, so he's forced to lick it slowly instead of just eat all the peanut butter. So our banana pieces are frozen. We're gonna pop them into the blender. Pumpkin, peanut butter, 1 gluten-free graham cracker, pinch of salt, pinch of pumpkin pie spice. Now milk. I'm using this not milk. Love this. Says just as much until like it'll blend, so I'm just gonna start with putting like a little bit. We'll see what happens. And don't forget to use this thingy, because it's probably gonna be real thick. Okay, it's looking very thick and creamy. Dun, da, da, da. I'm actually so excited. It just tastes like banana. Need more pumpkin pie spice, I think. Alrighty, look at that. It looks amazing. It's so thick. Oh my god, it's actually so thick and heavy. I put more pumpkin and more pumpkin pie spice in there to try and get more flavor. Ooh. Alrighty, here is how it turned out. So thick and creamy. Oh my god, I can't wait to taste it after I changed the ingredients. Let's give it a go. Oh my god, it actually tastes so good. It's giving me banana cream pie vibes. It's not very pumpkin-y. Okay, Holy shit. It's like a banana cream pie. Like you can taste the graham cracker a little bit flavor, the bananas, the creaminess from the peanut butter. Bro. And if you get a little bit of whipped cream, it's like the cream on, oh my god. Okay, I'm addicted. I really thought it wasn't gonna be that good after I was taste testing it. Once I adjusted the ingredients. Holy smokes, that's good. I don't know, she said that serves two, but that does not serve two. As a self-proclaimed smoothie connoisseur, I give this a 10 out of 10. Okay, that's gonna be it for the end of the vlog. And I hope you enjoyed my trying to make this smoothie. I will see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Bye!